Good morning, sir. I'm student from Puducherry. My topic is hydrogen gas leak detector in toilets. So here, in our state Puducherry, in some of the recent months, there is a serious problem near in our areas, which is an hydrogen gas leakage in toilets. Due to that, most of the peoples died continuously, simultaneously for a weeks, for 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, two to three peoples and about 10 to 20 peoples have died due to this hydrogen gas leak in the toilets. So, keeping this problem in the mind, I have created one solution for this hydrogen gas leaking. So here, uh, in the toilets, I first have placed one hydrogen gas leak sensor, that is MQ4 sensor, which is a gas detection sensor. So here, when a gas is detected in when the hydrogen gas, that is as a bad smell in the bathroom is detected, it will send. I have placed an Arduino uh, in the gas leakage sensor. So I have connected an Arduino. So the Arduino will receive the gas leakaging information, sensing information, and it will first it will give an information to the speaker to raise the voltage to give a noise about a hydrogen gas leakage. So once a gas is being detected, it the speaker will get noise or it will get sound. And also I have placed one GSM board in the Arduino board, GSM sensor. So in the receiving station, it will send the information, that is receiving, that means in the home itself I have placed one station where it will send the information to the phone also. So even if we are in outside or even to in all our people in the home, it will send the information. So if we go outside also, we'll get the information, or someone in the home also will make them not to go near the toilets, so the gas has been leaking. So an alert message also been sent to the phone as a alert, gas leakage alert in the phone. This is how my project is been created. So if it has been okay or being considered by our government, I will get a proof and will make this hydrogen gas leakage detector in low cost and will provide to all the peoples in our area and in my state, and also those who are all willing, I will be giving to all the states. So thank you, sir.